Hi, this is Module 5, Video 37. This video is a summary and a demo for the entire module. Now, first of all, I wanted to just give a quick overview, a quick reminder of what we've actually achieved in this module. So the first thing we started out doing was defining our core abstractions. You know, the action interface, the event interface, event matcher. All those things comprised our core abstractions. And then we moved on to the execution context, which is a crucial component of our entire model because it's where the mutable state lives. It's the only place, in fact, in our model where mutable state resides. Everything else is immutable. And then we used these components to build up our exercise program, and exercise programs models. And then we started building out our concrete actions such as, say action, wait action. Then we moved on to concrete event matchers, and we only had two of those, the typed event matcher and the numbered event matcher. And then finally we built out our parsers so that we could turn an input text document into an instance of our exercise programs model. So that's a summary of the work that we did. I did mention along the way a few little things that I wanted to clean up, such as changing the methods that take lots of services into just taking the one container service, and also making the parser more correct and lenient with respect to whitespace. These are things that I will do after this video and in a separate commit. I'm also going to add a document to the GitHub wiki which gives detailed information on how to format the input document, particularly around defining numerical constraints. So look out for that. So finally, what I want to do in this video is just give a demo of this working. You may recall our UI project, which previously we had this this code here to create an exercise program. Basically, what I've done is commented it out and switched it out for this, which is using our parsing infrastructure instead. And you can see here how I've specified the exercise program. I've tried to mimic what we had here exactly. So we've got a single program called example program, and then a single exercise called push-ups, 3 sets, 5 reps each. And then before the first set, before any set apart from the first, we've got a break for 7 seconds. And then during the rep, we've got a metronome at 0 seconds with a bell, half a second later, 0.75 seconds later, and then half a second later than that without any audio. And then finally 2 reps before the last, we've got this say 2 left action here. So I'm going to run this on my iPad and show you it working. So here's my iPad just waiting for the debugger to connect. Righto, so if I press this test button,
push-ups, 2 left, break.
You can hear that we got exactly the same result as we did last time, except now we're
Ready.
specifying it through our document format here. And just incidentally, if I take this and I stick it into a markdown editor, you can see here the kind of output we get. So this is something that's actually useful even outside our program, because you could print this out if you didn't have access to a device. You could print this out and mostly understand it. So that's another goal achieved. So that's it for this module. The next module is going to be about our view model layer. So I look forward to catching you then. Goodbye.